welcome back standard 9 sets we were doing. In that one sum in the last video we have done from exercise 1.4. Now very important 2-3 questions we will take from the same. Out of that first we have done, so second now I am going to do. In a hostel there are 125 students. Out of which 80 drink tea, 60 drink coffee, 60 drink coffee, and 20 drink both, and 20 drink both. Both means coffee and tea. Find the number of the students who do not drink. Find the number of the students. Students who do not drink tea or coffee. Who do not drink what? Tea or coffee. So what we have to do here is we have to find the number of the students who do not take anything. So this is the universal set. 125 students are there. In those 125, some are drinking tea, some are drinking coffee, and some are drinking both. But there may be some students who are not taking either coffee or tea. So that number of the students we have to find out. If I say let set A is of the students first name is of tea, students drinking tea. Another we will call it as B, the students who drinking coffee. So these are the two sets, A and B. Now U is equal to means N of E is equal to, it is the universal set, the hostel. It is comprising of all drinking, either this or that, or both, or non-drinking also. So all the students are here. N of U, number of the elements in the universal set is 125. N of A, this we have called it as the student drinking tea. So how many are they? They are 80. N of B, how many are they? Coffee, 60. And both, it is the both means this also and this also means they are common to both the sets. They are drinking coffee also, they are drinking tea also. That means it's common. So that common is written as A intersection B is equal to 20. Remember this. We know that N of A union B is equal to, in the third lecture we have seen it, N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Therefore, N of A union B means these are either taking this or both. Okay. N of A, how many are they? 80. 80 plus B is 60 and minus this is 20. So that is equal to 120. 140 minus 20, 120. Therefore, N of A union B. These are the number of the students taking either of this. Means how many are remaining? Those 5 remaining, they are not taking anything. The number of the students, these are the students taking either tea, coffee, anything, something they are always taking. But there are some students who are not taking anything. So, the number of the students what are the questions? Yes, find the number of the students who do not drink tea or coffee. Means that we have to want. We have to find the number of the students who do not drink what? Tea or coffee. Tea or coffee is equal to, you have to write the formula, N of U minus N of A union B, and then that is equal to 125 minus 120 and it is equal to 5. These are the students who are neither taking this or that. Then we will go for the third sum. Hope that you have understood this. In a competitive exam, 50 students passed in English. 50 students passed in English. 60 in mathematics. 60 in mathematics. These are all the students passing. 60, I will write it properly, passed in mathematics. And 40 pass in both. 40 passed in both. Okay. Now they want, none of them failed in any of the subjects. None failed in any subject. None means no one failed in any subject. So what is that? Find the total number of the students. Find total number of students. That is what A union B they want. That's simply 50 passed in English, 60 passed in mathematics, 40 passed in both the subjects. Means that is the intersection with the common A set A. What is that? Students pass in this subject, English. Students passed in English. Then B we will call as B, students passed in maths. Therefore, n of A is equal to how much? 50. N of B is how much? 60. And now in both the subjects means A intersection B. N of A intersection B means the common is equal to 40. Okay, this is the common, students. They have passed this also and this also. Nobody has failed. That means all the students have passed either in this or in that. Okay. Now, n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. These common things are counted twice. That's why they have to be removed. N of A is 50. N of B is 60 and minus this is 40. So this will be 70. So how many students are there? Total number of the students are 70. That answer you have to write. Total number of the students is equal to 70. Okay, hope that you have understood this. Some very important question. This was the third question, I think. Third question we have done from exercise 1.4. Now the fourth question, let us try to complete it in the same video. If not done in the next video, we will definitely do some other sums also. So, fourth sum, a survey was conducted to know the hobby of 220 students of standard 9. Means total number of students. Total number of students is equal to 220. This is given. Out of which 130 students inform about their hobby of rock climbing. 130 students, they have hobby of rock climbing. I am making the abstract of the question. And 180 students inform about their skywatch. 180 students, they have hobby of skywatch. Means sky watching hobby. There are 110 students who both have the both hobbies. Now 110 students have both the hobbies. Both the hobbies. So then they want, then how many students do not have any hobby? Totally they are 220. So how many have no hobby? I am writing in a shortcut. How many have no hobby? Then how many have rock climbing hobby? How many have rock climbing? And how many How many have rock climbing hobby? And the last question, how many have so how many have Skywatch? Skywatch hobby. So there are how many students there are that we know? There are 220. So we can find the union of them. So union will be n of a union b is equal to n of a plus n of u. That way you can solve it. Okay. So there would be some of the students who don't have any of the hobby, and that we have to subtract it, and we will get the answer. Okay. So let us go for each solution. Now we will give the name and directly A, the set of the students having the hobby of rock climbing. Set B, the students having the hobby of skywatch, and this is intersection. These are the both. 112 have both the hobbies, means that it is the intersection. Directly I am writing because it is a big sum, some space I am saving now. Now you have got the habit how to write. A is the set of the students having the hobby of rock climbing. Therefore, N of A is equal to how many students? 130. This is N of U equal to. N of B equal to how many are they? 180. Okay. Now N of A union B is equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. As usual, that is equal to N of A is 130 plus N of B is 180, and here that N of A intersection B, that also I will write here. N of A intersection B, intersection means common, is 110 minus this is 110. So hope that you have understood this. Now subtract these two. So 130 plus this will be 70, and then this is totally 200. N of A union B means these have either of the hobbies. The number of the students who do not have any hobby is 20 students. How many have no hobby? Remaining students. Number of the students having no hobby. Number of students having no hobby. No hobby is equal to total is 220 minus having the hobby 200, that is equal to 20. Now what are the next questions? This first we have done. How many have rock climbing hobby? Rock climbing, how many are there? Check it. 130 students have the hobby of rock climbing. But in that, there are 110 students who have the other hobby also. So this 110 I have to subtract. Those 20 students will have only the hobby of the students having the hobby of what? Rock climbing. Rock climbing means only rock climbing. In this there were both the students, rock climbing also, sky watching also. But the students having the hobby of only rock climbing is equal to this 110, 130 minus this common 110 is equal to 20 students. 20 are only having this hobby. The number of students, the students having the hobby of skywatch. Skywatch म्हणजे आकाश निरीक्षण करणे is equal to how many are having the hobby of sky watching? That is I think 180. 180. In that they are both 180 means only 180. They are not only watching the sky. They have this other hobby also. Means rock climbing also. So minus this common 110 and that is equal to 70. This way all the answers we have got. No hobby 20 students. Having the hobbies either of the hobby 200 students. Having only rock climbing only 20 students. Having only sky watching 70 students. And both of them 110 students. Okay, now this video will stop here, and from this you can solve the other important questions also. We'll see in the next topic. Hope that new topic I will start.